Welcome to Zero Sum Life. I want to discuss the first blockchain and cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. I am sure it is the first digital currency you've ever heard before hearing about cryptocurrencies. I will highlight a few reasons why Bitcoin may still be a good investment. As always, I want to put out some disclaimers. I currently do own some Bitcoin cryptocurrency as a long-term investment, and I am not a financial advisor. I am simply sharing this information that I have found by doing some research to determine if Bitcoin is a good investment for myself. Now, let's get to the brief summary of what Bitcoin is. It is the first decentralized digital currency. Bitcoins are transferred from one person to another person over the internet without going through any middleman such as banks. Due to this, the fees of transactions are much lower. You don't need a bank account, and this can be used to send money to anyone in the world in a few minutes. No one can freeze your account, and there are no prerequisites or any limitations to buy or keep Bitcoin. It was invented by an unknown programmer or a group of programmers under the name Satoshi Nakamoto, and released as an open source software in 2009. All of the Bitcoins are generated by anyone through mining. There is an application called Bitcoin Miner that lets you generate new Bitcoins. Mining requires a certain amount of work in terms of your computer resources so that Bitcoins are generated in limited rates and are more predictable. There won't be more than 21 million Bitcoins created. All of the Bitcoins are stored in a wallet, and when you send it to someone, it adds an electronic signature which is confirmed by miners. These transactions are verified by network nodes and are recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. There are several exchanges that allow you to trade dollars, euros, or more with Bitcoins. Bitcoin is changing finance the same way the web changed publishing. Just recently, Bitcoin Cash hard fork came about, which we will discuss in another video. Next, we will discuss some good reasons Bitcoin is still a good investment. It is the first cryptocurrency that was created, and most people know it. It is the most liquid and popular cryptocurrency. You can also create smart controls, deeds, property values, and so on. The number of transactions confirmed per day has kept growing. 5 years ago, in 2012, Bitcoin had less than 10,000 transactions per day, and it's currently getting closer to 300,000 transactions per day. Now, Bitcoin adoption has been increasing, so its value should increase as well. The amount of companies accepting Bitcoin has been increasing. Companies like Overstock, Expedia, Newegg, Microsoft, Virgin Galactic, Dish Network, and the list goes on. Bitcoin will stay here for a long time, and it's not going anywhere since there is huge support behind it. More and more people are using Bitcoin for real-world transactions per day. I consider Bitcoin as digital gold, and it is for hedge as well. The current market cap of Bitcoin is $60 billion from investors worldwide. It is about 50% of overall cryptocurrency market caps. Over the last year alone, Bitcoin has skyrocketed over 500%. Meaning if you invested $1,000 in Bitcoin and held on last year, it would have turned into $5,000. That's about it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the big thumbs up.